Welcome back to Dubro Fishing. Just wanted to take a minute to talk to you guys today about the twister track knobs, bolts, and washers. 2023 we came out with the twister track knobs featuring a stainless steel insert, low profile nut, and because of the stainless steel insert, these things fly down the track bolt, saving you time getting on, off, and while you're on the water making adjustments. New for 2024 are our T-bolts, all stainless steel, come in 3 different sizes: 1 inch, 1.5 inch, and 2 inch bolts, and our rubber washers, which are great. Most track systems, there's a little bit of twist and things like that in them, so these washers will compress, help you level out your products and your accessories while you're on your kayak or aluminum boat, and securely fasten them down. Basically, you're going to drop that T-bolt into whatever track system you're using, drop the washer above the actual track, and then tighten down your knob or accessory, and off you go on the water. Our twister track bolts come in 3 different sizes: 1 inch, 1.5 inch, and 2 inch. They come 4 bolts per pack. Our rubber track washers come in 5 different colors: black, red, orange, green, and blue, and those come in 4 packs as well. Our twister track packs are my favorite. There are 4 pack of each of the bolts, knobs, and washers. They're available in all 3 bolt sizes as well. Check them out at dubrofishing.com or your local kayak shop.